सबसे बड़ी बात है कि बोथ आपने जो दोनों घटना की बात की, बोथ द इंसिडेंट्स हैपन इनसाइड ए एजुकेशनल इंस्टीट्यूट। दैट इज द मेन थिंग। अगर आप शिक्षा प्रतिष्ठान के अंदर ऐसी चीज घट रही है एक के बाद एक और आप उसे रोक नहीं पा रहे, सो इट इज ए पैथेटिक फेल्योर and failure of the state administration, that is the home minister of the state, इस स्टेट के होम मिनिस्टर ममता बनर्जी, उनकी फेलियर है। और उसके साथ साथ मुझे लगता है कि इन सब एजुकेशन इंस्टीट्यूट के साथ जो मंत्रालय जुड़े हुए हैं उनके लिए भी एक बहुत बड़ी एक धब्बा है। और मुझे तो लगता है कि इसका रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी लेते हुए किसी को तो रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी लेना चाहिए।
This is really unfortunate कि after such a heinous crime, the commission member is located in Kolkata and she is desperately trying to get contacts, her address, contact numbers, everything from police, which is not yet been served to us. I have not only contacted SP South Kolkata, and I gave her, texted her message, she didn't respond. Maybe she is too busy. Then I talked with the local OC. She said, yes, ma'am, right now I'm sending, but you talk with our senior. Then you need to talk with the further superior. The commission is asking about the victim's location, victim's address, and that is denied now. And you know, from my medical source, being a doctor, I know local, I am local. So I inquired yesterday, she was taken to Calcutta National Medical College Hospital where her medical was not done. It is 72 hours crossed. And yesterday they said that she will go to Calcutta Medical College. There she was not sent there. Today she is supposed to go to NRS Medical College. That also under question. So they are intentionally, I will say intentionally, they are delaying medical examination. You know, in rape case it has to be done as early as possible, and it is not done by police. At least from day before yesterday when the complaint is lodged, she should have been her medical test immediately. And so many medical college hospitals are there. If they have any issue, the central government has got AIIMS, they have Command Hospital, ESI Hospital, so many. So doing our rape case medical test, medical legal, is not a big job. So they are not doing, neither they are communicating with commission, they are not caring. They have intention to do the same thing as they did in case of Arjikar. I believe so. As a member in commission trying to work for the victim, we want to know her location, how she is she protected, the family is protected, or what has been done. We are concerned with the welfare of the girl, which is not done, nor commission is intimated. This is not only unfortunate, there is you can say law and order mismanagement.